ladies, I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be on EEWIGS. EEWIGS reached out to me and they sent me this what is it, 613, and it's also dark roots. So I'm going to be showing you guys this. Look at this sash bag. This is like really nice. This is for to put your wig in, the duster. So, and it's really nice and silky. So the wig that they sent to me, they had, first off, EEWIGS on the package, and it says www.ewigs.com on the bag. This bag is like really cute. So inside of this bag you have the wig. Then you have, they have like photo contests and stuff like that you can get into. Okay, wait a minute. They sent the EEWIGS booklet, and this is on the far as high quality maintenance tips and stuff like that. If you have questions on the wig, things of that nature. And they gave me, oh, thank you so very, very much. They gave me a wig cap. So it's a two-piece deluxe wig cap. One size fits all, thin stocking cap, fabric. And it has polyester material. I'm looking for this. I don't even see the shade on here. London. Something like that. But this is my shade. Okay, let's see what else. Oh. Go ahead, EEWIGS. They sent me also a brush, a paddle brush. Look at this. Oh, they do you right. Yes. Okay, so let's get inside this bag here. It comes with the bag and it has a netting. Oh, wait a minute. They sent me some lashes. Y'all know how I love lashes. They sent me some lashes, so thank you so much for these lashes. You know I'm going to put these up in my little collection. Okay, now let's get into the wig. Let's take the netting down. And it is a 360, I mean, not a 360. It's a frontal Swiss lace right here. Let's see, is it like a natural? Yeah, it's really nice and natural looking up in that scalp area. It's 28 inches long. Yeah, this is 28 inches long. It's let's see, the color of the lace they gave to me was medium brown. I have my notes down here. Medium brown. The density is 180, so it's fairly thick, y'all. And the cap size is like an average size, they say. So it's a lace frontal wig, and it's pre-plucked in a natural hairline. Let's see this hairline, but I'm going to try it on so you ladies can see it. I just want to make sure that I have my notes down here that way I don't forget anything. Look at this. I want this. Okay, inside of here you have a comb right here. In the front you have one on the side, and you have the adjustable straps. Now, this is how much lace you get. This is all the lace that you're getting. That's fairly okay. You know, it's a synthetic wig, so I'm going to try it on exactly how it came out the packaging, and we'll see. Okay, let's see what we got here, guys. Let's see. This is the front, because the lace is here, and it's lace. Okay. Oh, this is a lot of lace here, a lot of lace there. So this is how this looks so far. This is straight out the packaging, guys, so I didn't do anything to it yet. But this is how this look straight out of the packaging. Sorry, y'all, don't want to be showing y'all anything. So this is how this looks straight out the packaging. This wig is not heavy at all. It may look heavy, but it's not heavy at all. So they say natural hairline. Let's see. You see the hairline, they say natural hairline, but this hairline can use a little bit, can use a lot of plucking. Not a little bit, but a lot. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to customize it. Just pluck it, and I'll probably come back with the lace. I mean with the wig done and or placed down. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I may come back. That way we can do some baby hairs and we can put some ghost bond on it, or got to be glued. is like, for real, it's so super soft, like butter, honey. Yes, y'all see me putting that work. I put that work in, and this ring light is all up in my face real bright. But y'all, look at this. I put that work in on this wig. Let's check out the back. You see that? We cannot make this up. Oh my goodness. This hair is nice, y'all. I'm on geek mode because this hair is like beautiful. Really beautiful. Let me comb it again so I don't have my mirror, y'all. But look at that. Oh, honey. Okay, let me get into it again. Y'all already know the specs. Y'all already know. Sorry, let me close this, y'all. They want to be doing some working on my video outside, but okay, this is from EEWIGS right here. EEWIGS, and it says be yourself from hair. And of course they have the high quality, super easy to use, how to use, the right methods, things like that on here. Then they give you also the bag. Y'all already know I'm gonna put this wig in this bag. The little duster bag, like the sachet bag, but a duster. Anyway, to make a long story short. And they give you like a photo contest and stuff like that. You can enter and all that. But let me tell you, I had about this much hair from this, because y'all know this hair was like wavy. I probably posted somewhere over here. But I'm gonna tell you, this hair, I've never had synthetic hair that was like this. This mind blowing. This blowing my mind, because you want to talk about some hair that I thought I had that was like really human hair, virgin hair. Now it did seem like virgin hair, the texture of it, the look of it, but the touch of this and the look of it, oh my goodness. You can't tell me I didn't go buy me 613 virgin hair with some roots. You know what I mean? Come on now, look at this. It's fly away. And then I've been outside on my patio and the hair was, you see this, look. We cannot make this up. Now I made mine super thin because see, what had happened was I was born with this brown skin, and I did not want to look like I was trying to fake it out a whole lot. You know what I mean? And putting a big old bush. I can't do that. So I wanted to basically, the title of this video is basically how to make this hair, well, my title is how to make this hair natural, you know. So that's what I was going for. Yas, baby, yas. Styling profile, girl. What you say? Girl, you better shut up. Girl, what? This my real hair, you know. Alright, y'all. Well, y'all done seen enough. So I hope y'all got the gist of it. I showed y'all everything I believed you could. The shedding after I'm done is nothing. Nothing. Oh, y'all, it flat irons like really good. Look at that. It flat irons so damn good. Yes. Yes, y'all. Yes. Anyway, I'm geeking. It flat irons. I don't know if it curls good because I didn't curl it, but I know it flat irons like really straight. So, I think that's it. I'm gonna, oh, that's not it, because EEWIGS, I'm going to be ordering another one of these wigs, but I'm gonna see if they have it in straight instead of because I don't like the curly look for me. You know, y'all may like the curly look for you, but not for me. But I'm gonna tell you, because this hair is what it is, let me tell you something. I don't order from places that order from places before, but I'm going to get me like 2 or 3 of these wigs, y'all. And when I do, I'm going to show them to y'all. Y'all, where y'all know that girl know what she's talking about. She is not lying. She ain't playing with the EEWIGS, because this thing is nice. And I'm not being paid to do this. I'm doing this because I wanted the damn wig. Let's be real. But anyway, so, yeah. Look at this. Anyway, you know, like J Baby always says, hit that subscribe button. Alright, y'all, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. That's that Taco Bell, either on your left or on my right, whatever. Also, like, comment, share, tell people about EEWIGS, because, yeah, y'all see it. Stop playing. Dang, stop playing. Y'all see. I'm geeking. But, and even when I do that, look, y'all, you can just comb through it and nothing. No tangles. Oh, my goodness. And look how she waved. Okay, y'all, let me go. Like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off.